In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning and engaging videos using CapCut. Join me as we explore the step-by-step process to get your project started and polished to perfection. First things first, you'll want to open CapCut and start a new project. To do this, simply launch the app and hit that New Project button. This sets the stage for everything we're about to create, and getting a fresh slate is always inspiring. Once you've got your new project ready to go, setting the right canvas size is crucial, especially if you're targeting a specific platform. So let's adjust the canvas size to 916 by navigating to the Canvas tab. This size is perfect for platforms where vertical videos reign supreme, like Instagram Reels or TikTok, ensuring your content looks professional and captures attention with ease. Now, to make your video flow smoothly between scenes, you'll want to use multiple clips and apply smooth transitions. Some of the most popular ones to consider are dissolve, zoom, or swipe. These transitions can give your video that seamless, professional look. Take a little time to experiment with these and see which best complements your footage, adding that extra flair to keep your audience engaged. Next, injecting rhythm and timing into your video is where the magic happens. You can do this by using audio beat markers to align clip changes with your chosen music. This technique not only makes your video look in sync, but also enhances the viewing experience by emphasizing the musical rhythm. It's a subtle touch that often makes a powerful difference. As you build your video, remember that keeping each clip short and dynamic will maintain the excitement and hold your audience's attention. This approach prevents scenes from dragging on and keeps the energy high from start to finish. Aim for a fast-paced feel, cutting through the moments that won't miss a beat. Enhancing your video with trendy text and effects is another key aspect. CapCut offers a variety of text styles and effects that can help emphasize important points or add visual interest. Choose styles that match the current reel trends, ensuring your video feels fresh and modern. This is your chance to creatively express your message or theme, so have fun experimenting with different options. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to crafting captivating videos using CapCut. By starting a new project, setting the ideal canvas size, and using transitions, beat markers, concise clips, and stylish effects, you can create something truly special. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these steps helpful as you embark on your next video editing adventure. Remember, practice and creativity are key, so keep experimenting and enjoy the process.